Hey darlings, welcome to the first day of the vlog. So today is it's a Thursday. Oh, trust me to start a vlog on Thursday, girl. Okay, so we are not doing much today. I have a few weeks here that I have to wash and fix. So obviously I wanted to do that with you guys. That's why I started this vlog. So let me show you guys the weeks right away. Right, so we have this week, and then we have this one. I have to wash all of them, guys, and then also fix them obviously. And then this one, the client is gonna come and install on, I don't know if it's tomorrow or Saturday. And this one I have to customize it. You see, like, I have to fix this the lace. I have to plug it, and then afterwards she wants it shorter, so I have to cut it to at least make it a 8-inch or a 10-inch because it's a 12-inch, right? So yeah, this is basically all the weeks that I have to do today, so let's go and work on them right away. Okay, hey guys, so I'm back from the clinic. You guys saw the snippet before this one that I was at a clinic. I went there because I had like problem with my eyes, specifically this eye, and then this one was just red. So I went there, and then I don't know, I'll post a small TikTok video here so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. So I basically went there to like ask for, oh my gosh, excuse my hair. I went there to ask for, what's this, for Allergex eye drops, right? Because it was getting out of hand, it was swollen and stuff like that. So I just wanted to get eye drops, and then as you guys can see here, I have this hair that I have to plug because the person is gonna come and install it. I don't know when, tomorrow or Saturday. She still has to confirm that. And then what else? Oh, okay, so my eyelashes. Okay, this one's obviously I can't, they cannot be the same because of the eyes. So yeah, I also do eyelashes, guys. I'll post the poster somewhere on the screen or even in the comment section so that you guys can see the prices. I do lashes, I do hair. Please do show your girl some support. It will be very, very appreciated. And then yeah, man, yesterday I didn't want to vlog. Yesterday I put out an online order, so I'm waiting waiting for a package. And what else? What's the update? Oh, I have to. I already posted a thingy, a story time. I'm sure by now you guys have seen it. You guys, you need to be extra careful. Hey? You need to be extra careful when you're walking down the streets because could be shame like it's bad. Right. So that's basically just that. I was just here to update you guys so that you're not like you're not confused. You're only seeing snippets and stuff like that. Right. So see you guys tomorrow when the package arrives or when I am doing something. And also I have a client that I have to do lashes for, so I'm also gonna put that clip after this one. So yeah, see you guys later. Hey guys, so guess what, I'm a happy girl. So I thought that my parcel was gonna arrive tomorrow, and the courier guy just called me now. He's on his way to drop the parcel, so I'm just gonna stand outside the gate and then. Okay, my darling. Yeah, I'm so happy. So my package is here, right? So my package is here. Screenshot. And to be honest, I wasn't expecting it like today, so that's why I'm like amazed for the heaven. So let us do a quick unboxing. Oh, this Caesar. Quick unboxing, kelolo. So to be quite honest, guys, like it's nothing that's exciting. The only thing that I'm so excited about is the curler because I've been looking for a curler for quite a while now. So yeah, it's the only thing that I was expecting, right? Like not the only thing, the only thing that got me like excited because the other things I was just topping up on like for my hair business. So I don't know how am I gonna position you guys so that you can see. But it's fine. I'm just gonna do this and then tilt it. I will. What's going on? Okay. Okay. So this is basically what I ordered. Do you guys see? Yeah. This is what I ordered. These are literally just the. Why is it open? Eh. This is the installation kit. I just needed to top it up. I'll open it just now, or should I open it? But this is so small, and this is the star of the show. What I was super excited about. This is the star of the show, so it's so small. I thought it was gonna be big, like, but it's fine. I don't mind. Let's guess the color. It's in what color? It is in pink, honey. This is the star of the show. I've been looking for this for quite long, guys. Like, yo, it's a two-in-one. It's a straightener and a curler. So, you guys see. So, yeah, this is basically what got me super excited for this whole thing. Okay, no, that's fine. And in here, it's just an installation kit. It's guys, we have an edge control here, and we have a mousse. We have the spray, the glue, the remover, and we have the tint, the lace tint here, and then we have this hair serum, and this side we have the belt as well as king cozy, as well as these things, man. Yeah. So this is basically all I wanted. Right. So yeah, see you guys in the next clip. Let us go. I have to do
Oh, Sana. Hey dolls, guess who's here?
Yeah.
Guess who came to visit the dolls?
Friend.
Hi.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good and you?
I'm very good.
Fabulous.
Why do you look like that?
Guys, in Duma Khaying, so you cannot expect us for Rekhayo. Don't read Zile.
I'm gonna post it.
Don't like Rara Papa man.
Le papa
You are
ya.
not happy.
Ebe ba go shweng.
What like Bohono go build the Garella? Like when I'm showing at this guys, what?
Oh, Sana. It's so good.
I feel like it's not bad. Okay, so yeah, as I was saying, friend, like,
Okay, so tell me why this person is telling me. Are hello kana dintsi tsa go tse di dirang because nna ga ke a batla ke tsela a ke tse di dirang or tse di ata thata like a go bone futa ya ka from this other person and one person can't do like dintsi tse di dirang and it's on the poster on the page.
So you just feel like
No, I feel like it's very disrespectful because why would you call me and ask me that? But after that, I'm just like, oh, yeah, can't do it. Ke gona ke morae kere ke gona ke morae kere nyatse di dirisiwang ke di-iphone ka ya bona oh yeah, thank you tshwane monae how
okay. The fact that she called.
you guys there's something else anyways we are here guys it's dark man oh yeah come on hug